Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix changes not saving in Webflow. So to fix changes not saving in Webflow, first you need to check your internet connection. Sometimes when you try to publish your sites and it's not really going through, it's not because of the server status, it's not because of the site that you're making or changes that you made. It's simply because you have a very bad internet connection, that the connection between your PC and basically their servers is not going through, so the click of a button of save and publish is not really working. So make sure that you have a good stable connection and ensure that you are using the latest version of a supported browser. As in my case, I'm using Google Chrome, as you can see guys. Make sure to use Chrome, Edge, Firefox or Safari and clear your browser cache to remove outdated assets. So you can go here and remove the asset from here and refresh the designer or use incognito mode to bypass potential plugin conflicts. Also, when you try to save, the better thing is to keep saving each step you make. You don't want to make a whole page and then saving it. No, create a page and then save. Create a section and edit that section, then save. You don't want to lose the whole progress just because you didn't save in the first few elements before you arrived. For example, let's say I've created the whole page and here this is the one that's causing me the problem. So try to save at least the sections that are before this one, so at least you have 80% of the job saved and then 20% that you are going to remake. So this is something that you already need to know. Also, check for the system status. So you need to go to statuswebflow.com and check if there is any problem from their side, since it cannot be always your problem. Sometimes error from their end. For example, here, just in the last 2 months, like in December of the last year, 2 months ago, there was a problem. So the the hosted websites were down. So you need to check this website eventually and check if there is any problem by their side and simply adapt to it. And once you check everything, the save button should be very good. You should simply click here, select and save, and that should be it. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.